Yo, alright. I'm gonna just cut to the chase. I look a mess right now. This shit's not me. I'm gonna got a hoodie on and all the other good funky stuff. So yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Yesterday was Memorial's Day. So me went to my aunt's crib and everything. Actually, I moved my car closer to John. So, yesterday was a good day. It was like cool. Let's see if I put this right here. So, yesterday was a good day and everything, right? Memorial's Day. Cool. Went to my aunt crib in Jersey. Probably like an hour away. Car running cool. Car running cool. I look like a young boy right now, but we ain't gonna talk about it. That probably like a fucking mess. Look dirty, but I don't care. I'm pissed off. So, boom, went to Jersey, got my car washed because I had all these bugs in the front of it. Then, come back. Well, on the way there, hit 160 top speed. Cool. That's cool and everything, right? Then, so boom, right? Go to Jersey, boom, top speed 160. Cool. Way back, cool. Everything fine. Get back, my man's like, yeah, we about to go up to the John. You know, other guys. Cool. Yo, we get to the car running perfectly fine. No signs of nothing. We get to this parking lot. I swing my car one time. Radiator, bro. How did my radiator, like, is my radiator, then I think it's something else under here. Cause when I look, the whole car is smoky because I guess the coolant and everything all leaked out. The coolant reservoir tank is empty, completely empty. And I'm sitting in this hot ass car, like, completely empty, bro. Like, then I don't know what the fuck it's called. I'm so mad right now. Like, so boom, right? Coolant tank empty. Hole in radiator leaking early. But day before, I hit this hard ass bump. Then I'm washing my car yesterday in Jersey. I see my passenger side, like the clips for my oil pan and stuff like that, that hook onto the bumper and like the fender liner, it's hanging. I look under it, whole oil pan cover hanging. I'm like, alright, bro. But mind you, know the oil pan and all that is connected to the radiator on back. I'm like, alright, bro. Swing my drum one time. It wasn't even like a full send swing. I don't know if I'm entering that clip here, but I'm gonna tell one of my guys to send it to me. You could see like the smoke, like it wasn't even tire smoke. It was like smoky. Cool. Pop the hood, coolant everywhere, all over the engine, early. They're like, yeah, just let it cool off. We let it cool off. My man said some antifreeze and all that, dumped some in there, leaking right out. So then I was like, alright, I'm gonna drive it home. Dump coolant early, leaking. So, alright, I'm driving around the parking lot going like 15, 20. It's cool. Nothing is happening. My oil temperature, John, was rising though. Like my oil temp was rising. My coolant temp was normal for some reason. And I felt like that something was wrong. If I'm gonna cool in the car, why my coolant temperature not going up? And I have oil in my car, so alright, cool. Then I hit the gas just to see, because we had to get on the back roads and all that. You can't go 20 in the back roads the whole time. So back roads. I mean in the parking lot and all that. I'm bad at telling stories, yo. I swear to God I am. So I had the gas. Car, smoke started coming inside the car. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm not driving this shit home, bro. Not at all. Then the car started overheating, so I'm like, yeah, turn this on off. Called my That's why I got Roadside to send to my insurance and all that. Called the Roadside boy. Got home. He scraped my diffuser. Like, he scraped my diffuser. He scraped my front bumper. I was just heated, bro. Heated to the max. Car is riding perfectly fine. I would get y'all a cold start, but there's no fucking coolant in this car. So now I gotta, I'm glad I got I think I still got my manufacturer warranty, but I don't know if that's voided because I got headers and no cats and all that. So I purchased this, when I first bought my car, I bought the extended warranty. It made my note go higher, but I'm glad I bought it. So I gotta take my car to the shop. Either I was supposed to take it today, but the boy not answering the phone. But I already had an appointment on Friday. It's only Wednesday, bro. It's Wednesday, I think. No, it's only Tuesday. So it's Tuesday. I got an appointment Friday. I've been trying to call the people and see if I could come drop my car off, because my warranty said, like, my warranty, cop flying past. My warranty told me that I gotta take it back there so that then, like, the shop can observe the damages and see and tell the warranty people to see if they cover it, which they should cover it, because that warranty joins like 3 bands, like. So we'll see. Like, I'm just pissed, but I got clips of my whole car, like, leaking and all that. This is why I bought a new car, so I wouldn't have to go through stuff like this. Car just hit 30,000 miles. Just hit it. It's at 30,019. But yeah, man. We'll see what's up. Cause yeah.
Embarrassing. One of these cars in that Jeep.
Bro, I think.
And the Durango that they had.
I like this car.
But I definitely want to.
I ain't gonna be paying no crazy notes. Like, around these cars, I start making like, I'm making like 1,300. I'll probably make like, most of them probably making like 22. This is bad, bro. Yeah, but you gotta put it right, baby. Yeah, I'll be so red. That's cool. That's cool. Like 600.
Bro, if you drive, bro, put the heat on, bro.
Yeah, turn the heat on now.
I want to see if it's going. It didn't even overheat though. That's the crazy part. Cooling temp rising though. Cooling temp is rising. The cooling temp is rising. The cooling temp is rising. Cool. So far, it ain't even doing nothing though. Cooling temp staying early. Engine cool. I don't got no air though. I mean no heat. Early. Fucking bird. Uh-oh. 219. Car not overheating though. Car is not overheating. That's good. Shout out to them guys. Man, tow truck and shit, dog. Dumbass fucking radiator.
I was
was looking at a old gun.
Like that. Oh, might turn it off. Would you check your pin?
It's an OG.
That shit don't mean nothing, bro. That's what's supposed to. It's a drag.
Jump on the back of that joint, man.
Nah, bro. It's a
Hey,
big embarrassment. Cash out early. Hellcat. Paid off. Tweaking.
That shit fall off.
He coming right there. He coming right there.
What y'all getting niggas talking about? Bad, man. What is life, though? Big embarrassment. Super. Shout out to the guys.
At the water should go away, bro.
Definitely didn't think me buying this car a month later, it being in a fucking tow truck. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this joint. I'm so heated right now. It's not even funny. Hey, I guess the radiator went, then I don't know, like then my oil temperature was going up. Like, I don't know what's wrong with this junk for real. But you already know what it is. That's what the shirt says. You say it's just married. But like, comment, subscribe, share this video, tell a friend, and tell another friend to share this video, watch it as well. And I'll just keep you updated on the car because there's nothing I can do. I'm just sitting the entire ticket to the fucking shop, and this is bothering me. I got a whole Scat and I can't even fucking drive it. But this video over, man. Share it fucking down. Share it.
Oh, hold up.
Let's see if y'all can see this. Scrape. Big scrape. Big scrape. Big scrape. Oh yeah, this is gonna be another video too. I put my tail light tint on. I messed this joint up, but it's all good. Look, my baby is clean. Look at all the bugs. But look. Oh, y'all can't see it. I'm lazy. Just look at all the scrape, bro. There's stuff everywhere. Oh, it all dried up, but I think the main problem was down there somewhere. And I really can't, you can't even tell where it's like, where it bursted at or something. Like, you can't even tell, bro. All this was covered in coolant. Look, coolant tank, empty. K&N filter, dirty. All this was wet yesterday. I'm gonna insert the clips and all that. Headers, wet. This video gonna be long and I don't even care. I got pictures of everything.